Hey y'all, we are doing something different. This one is for the guys and gals who want to be more financially secure. So just today, I'll be going over and talking about the 21 passive income ideas for young adults. But first things first, please note that diversifying income streams through passive means is a savvy move, especially in a dynamic economic landscape where inflation looms large. Whether you're exploring avenues for additional funds or building a financial safety net, passive income can be your financial ally. It not only complements your primary job, but also provides an added layer of security during unforeseen circumstances. For those eyeing long-term financial goals, generating wealth through passive income could be a game changer. Let's delve into 21 cutting-edge passive income ideas that can set you on the path to financial success. Each strategy presents unique opportunities, but it's crucial to grasp the associated risks to make informed decisions. 1. Craft an online course. Creating an engaging audio or video course has become a staple for passive income enthusiasts. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera offer spaces for course distribution. Consider adopting the freemium model, offering free content to build a following and then charging for premium insights. Building a solid platform and continuous product expansion are essential for sustained success. Here's the opportunity. Courses can establish a steady income stream after the initial time investment. Here's the risk. Crafting a high-quality product demands substantial effort, emphasizing the need for a robust platform, effective marketing, and a continuous stream of valuable products. 2. Create ebooks. Leverage the cost-effective nature of ebook publishing and the global reach of platforms like Amazon to showcase your expertise. Short, niche-focused ebooks can quickly be designed and tested for market response. Building a collection of ebooks can drive traffic to other offerings like courses or seminars. Here's the opportunity. Ebooks serve as information sources and traffic generators, enhancing the overall value of your content. Here's the risk. Success hinges on the ebook's strength, marketing efforts, and potential integration into a broader business strategy. 3. Harness rental income. Investing in rental properties offers a tangible avenue for passive income. However, it demands thorough research to ensure profitability. Calculating desired returns, assessing total costs, and understanding financial risks are crucial steps in this venture. Here's the opportunity. Earning passive income from rentals requires meticulous planning and understanding of financial dynamics. Here's the risk. Market fluctuations, tenant-related issues, and economic downturns pose potential challenges. Adequate contingency plans are essential for safeguarding investments. 4. Dive into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting third-party products on your website or social media. Earning a commission when visitors make purchases through your affiliate link requires building a substantial following. Here's the opportunity. Passive in theory, affiliate marketing can become lucrative with a growing following or a lucrative niche. Here's the risk. Building a following takes time, and audience retention is a challenge. Dependence on external factors like changing trends or platforms can impact long-term success. 5. Master retail product flipping. Utilize online sales platforms like eBay or Amazon to flip products at a profit. Scouring for discounted merchandise and arbitraging the price difference can attract deal-hungry customers. Here's the opportunity. Taking advantage of price differentials can be lucrative, especially with a reliable source of discounted merchandise. Here's the risk. Consistently finding profitable products, managing inventory, and understanding market trends are vital for sustained success. 6. Monetize photography online. Selling or licensing your photos through platforms like Getty Images allows you to scale your efforts. Identifying in-demand subjects and consistently adding quality photos is key to success. Here's the opportunity. Scalability is a significant advantage, with the potential to sell the same image multiple times. Here's the risk. Success relies on discovering market demands, with only a few photos likely driving substantial revenue. Effort, motivation, and ongoing additions to your portfolio are crucial for success. Embark on your passive income journey armed with these innovative strategies, understanding that each opportunity comes with its unique set of challenges and rewards. 7. Enter the world of peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending involves personal loans facilitated by platforms like Prosper. These loans connect lenders with borrowers, and interest payments constitute the lender's income. However, since these loans are unsecured, defaults can result in loss. Here's the opportunity. Lenders can earn income through interest payments, but to mitigate risks, it's essential to diversify investments across various loans and analyze historical borrower data. Here's the risk. Mastering the metrics of P2P lending takes time, and diligent vetting of borrowers is crucial. Economic recessions can increase the likelihood of defaults, making these loans riskier during downturns. Reinvesting earned interest is advisable to build a sustainable income. 8. Embrace dividend stocks for passive income. Investing in dividend-yielding stocks provides a regular income through periodic dividends paid by companies. Shareholders receive these payments without active involvement in the company's operations. Here's the opportunity. Dividend stocks offer a relatively passive way to generate income. The more shares owned, the higher the payout. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can provide diversification and reduce the impact of individual stock performance. Here's the risk. Selecting the right stocks is crucial, as companies with high dividends may struggle to sustain them. Thorough research on each company's financial health is necessary. For novice investors, ETFs present a safer option, offering diversification and lower costs. 9. Develop a profitable mobile app. Creating a mobile app demands an initial time investment, but can yield long-term rewards. Whether a game or a utility, users download the app, providing income through ads, in-app purchases, or initial download fees. Here's the opportunity. Successful apps can offer substantial returns, especially if monetization strategies are well executed. Regular updates and additional features can maintain user engagement. Here's the risk. Competition is fierce in the app market, and success relies on creating a unique, valuable experience. Apps can quickly lose popularity, necessitating ongoing effort to stay relevant. Privacy law compliance is vital if the app collects user data. 10. Monetize your parking space. If you have unused parking space, renting it out can generate income, especially in high-demand areas during events or peak hours. Here's the opportunity. Valuable in high-demand areas, renting out parking spaces, particularly to daily users, can provide a steady income. Here's the risk. Ensure compliance with residence or property restrictions, and consider liability disclaimers. While not particularly risky, potential issues include property damage or theft. 11. Invest in real estate investment trusts. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offer a way to invest in real estate without direct property ownership. These trusts, traded on the stock market, distribute dividends to investors. Here's the opportunity. Investing in REITs allows for passive participation in real estate, offering dividends and potential growth. Diversification is possible through funds investing in multiple REITs. Here's the risk. Identifying reliable REITs requires careful analysis, as stock prices can fluctuate. Economic downturns may impact REITs, dividends, and due diligence is crucial to understanding the specific terms of each investment. 12. Earn from sponsored social media posts. For those with a substantial social media following, monetizing posts through sponsored content can be lucrative. Here's the opportunity. Leverage a strong social media presence to attract brands for sponsored posts, generating income through endorsements. Here's the risk. Building a significant audience initially requires time and effort. Even with sponsorships, maintaining audience engagement is crucial for continued income. 13. Capitalize on high-yield CDs or savings accounts. Investing in high-yield certificates of deposit, CDs, or online savings accounts can provide passive income with some of the highest interest rates available. Here's the opportunity. Online banks often offer superior interest rates compared to local banks. Principal is protected up to $250,000 by the FDIC. Here's the risk. While these investments are safe, they may not outpace inflation, potentially reducing real purchasing power. 14. Short-term rental of your home. Renting out your home for short periods, especially during times of absence, can generate passive income through platforms like Airbnb. Here's the opportunity. Listing your space on rental platforms allows you to set terms and collect income with minimal effort, particularly for longer-term tenants. Here's the risk. While the financial risk is low, potential damage to property or theft is a consideration. Screening tenants and setting clear terms can mitigate risks. 15. Advertise on your car. Specialized advertising agencies may pay you to wrap your car with ads, turning your daily commute into a source of income. Here's the opportunity. If you drive frequently, this can be an additional income stream with minimal effort and cost. Here's the risk. Careful vetting of legitimate advertising agencies is crucial to avoid potential scams in this space. 16. Launch a blog or YouTube channel. Transforming a passion or expertise into a blog or YouTube channel can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Here's the opportunity. Use a low-cost or free platform to build a following, attracting sponsors and advertisers with engaging content. Here's the risk. Building an audience and consistently creating content requires time and dedication. Success depends on audience interest and engagement. 17. Rent out household items. Renting out high-value household items, such as lawnmowers or power tools, can provide income for underutilized possessions. Here's the opportunity. Start small and scale based on demand, potentially recouping the item's value after multiple uses. Here's the risk. Property damage or theft is a consideration. Contracts can help replace items at the client's expense in case of damage. 18. Sell designs online. If you have design skills, platforms like Cafe Press and Zazzle allow you to sell items featuring your designs, such as t-shirts and mugs. Here's the opportunity. Testing your designs in the market can reveal popular trends and drive sales. Printing partners help avoid large upfront costs. Here's the risk. Investing time without guaranteed returns is a potential drawback. Success may depend on market trends and personal design appeal. 19. Establish an annuity for reliable income. An annuity offered by insurance companies can provide a reliable stream of income with various payout structures and durations. Here's the opportunity. Annuities offer customizable options, allowing individuals to tailor income streams to their needs. Here's the risk. Annuities are complex, and once established, exiting early may incur significant penalties. Understanding the contract's details is crucial. 20. Purchase a local business. Buying an existing local business provides an established cash flow. With profitable niches and potential seller financing, this can be a viable passive income source. Here's the opportunity. Local businesses may offer unique niches and opportunities, and seller financing could align seller and buyer interests. Here's the risk. Careful vetting of potential acquisitions is necessary to ensure profitability and future growth. Hiring a competent manager is crucial for hands-off ownership. 21. Acquire an established blog. Rather than starting a blog from scratch, purchasing an existing blog provides immediate entry into the blogging world with existing contacts and revenue. Here's the opportunity. Immediate participation in a profitable blog with the potential for improvements and increased profitability. Here's the risk. Blogs may lack liquidity, making resale challenging. Thorough market assessment and understanding of the subject matter are essential for success. In the realm of passive income, diverse opportunities await, ranging from real estate investments to the digital frontiers of app development, social media influence, and online content creation. Whether delving into peer-to-peer lending, exploring the stability of dividend stocks, or embracing the traditional avenues of high-yield CDs, each path presents its unique blend of opportunities and risks. From the creative realms of sponsored social media posts to the stability of annuities and the acquisition of existing businesses, individuals can tailor their passive income journey to align with financial goals and risk tolerance. The key lies in understanding personal circumstances, balancing potential returns with market realities, and navigating the dynamic landscape with patience and adaptability. Ultimately, the pursuit of passive income is a personalized journey, And the choices made along the way shape the destination on the road to financial freedom.